This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Robin West. Luxurious 6-bedroom, 6.5-bath oceanfront home is unmatched in design and quality. Completely rebuilt from the foundation up by well-respected builder Mark Matthews with the finest materials. The third floor is an open-concept chef's kitchen, featuring a large island, separate sub-zero fridge and freezer, wine bar with wine fridge. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the living room/dining, framed by large windows that open onto spacious decks, offering ocean views. This floor includes a half-bath and primary ensuite bedroom. The suite is a sanctuary with 2 walk-in closets and a luxurious bath. The second floor has 4 ensuite bedrooms, laundry room, LG linen closet. 2 of the bedrooms boast incredible ocean views. The first floor offers an exercise room, a study/bedroom, full bath, and a large rec room with a fridge, dishwasher and wet bar perfect for entertaining. Step outside to your backyard, featuring a saltwater pool/hot tub. Additional features include elevator and generator, automatic pool cover. October 5, 2024. For more information, review the details below.